Hello guys! So today is December 30, 2024 pero ngayon ko palang mapopost itong Vietnam travel namin. Last July 2024 pa dahil sobrang busy. So actually this is our 6-day trip to Hanoi and Sapa, Vietnam. We are on a 5:20 a.m. flight with Vietnam Airlines for a two-way ticket price of 10,545 pesos per head, booked 1 week before the trip via trip.com. While Lon and I booked the ticket 1 month before and nakuha lang namin ang 9,350 pesos including rebooking fees via GoToGate. Madami namang third parties flight booking websites kung saan kayo makakamura, pero kung may budget kayo, mas maigi sa direct airlines kayo mag-book para madali ang assistance kapag may mga encountered problems kayo sa bookings and schedules. Excited nga kami sa Vietnam Airlines kasi yung sasakyan namin, ito yung flagship carrier ng Vietnam, which means kasama na sa price ng ticket ang in-flight meals, 25 kilogram baggage, plus hand carry luggage of 10 kilos. Yes po, 10 kilos, hindi lang 7 kilos, at meron pang personal handbag mo, o di ba bongga? Halos bago pa nga lang ang office ng Vietnam Airlines operation dito sa Manila by this time of our flight, and dito kami sa Terminal 1 bound to Hanoi. And guys, hindi pa pala kasama yung 1,620 pesos na travel tax ha. So hiwalay mo pa siyang babayaran dito sa airport. At eto na nga, may 30 minutes pa kaming natitira before boarding. So dumaan kami dito sa PAGSS Lounge or PAGSS Lounge kasi may free voucher for 2 ang trip.com. At meron din akong free access for 2 dahil meron akong RCBC Platinum card. So 7 kami. So merong 3 na hindi makaka-access dito sa lounge. So, dumiretso na lang sila sa boarding gate. Guys, check nyo na lang yung vlog ko regarding PAGSS Lounge back in 2023. Same terminal din, Terminal 1. So, punuan nga doon sa isang PAGSS Lounge. So, dito kami sa extension na punta. Alam nyo, ang masarap dito sa PAGSS Lounge, yung kanilang arroz caldo. At kapag medyo gutom ka nga, ang sarap din ng calderobo rice nila. Yes, calderobo, parang pinaghalo siyang caldereta and adobo rice toppings. Masarap tumambay dito kapag mahaba pa yung oras ng paghihintay mo sa pag-board. Pero this time kasi nagmamadali kami kasi halos boarding na nga nung matapos kaming kumain. Pwede ka nga rin doon mag-wine, mag-desserts, ang daming drinks na pagpipilian. Oh, at eto na nga, boarding na. So later check natin yung interior ng Economy ng Vietnam Airlines. So kung mapapansin nyo guys, nandun sa itaas yung kanilang monitor, yung screen, wala dito sa harap. So katulad din namang ng ibang airlines, meron din siyang tray, no, table, at namimigay nga pala sila dyan ng wipes, wet wipes. And just to clarify guys, yung screen or LCD monitor nila dun sa taas, walang movies yan ha. That was just placed there para lang siguro to monitor the flight and kung merong announcement and for commercials lang. So wala siyang movies to watch. Inamoy ko nga yan at ang bango nga nung wipes nila. Sa legroom naman, parang medyo maluwag siya ng konti compared sa mga budget airlines. Or hindi ko alam, parang same lang. Pero I feel parang mas maluwag siya. And during the take-off nga, pinatay nila yung ilaw. So kung mapapansin nyo sa taas, wala na yung monitor. Nag-fold siya. During this time, it's 5:20 a.m. It means ahead tayo sa Vietnam. Kasi so 5:20 a.m. sa atin, sa kanila is 4:20 a.m. Yun yung time difference. And guys, ito yung kanilang free in-flight meals, no? I mean, included na ito dun sa binayaran ninyo. So, yung pinili ko dyan is parang yung kanilang, nakalimutan ko na ang tawag nila dyan parang congee yan, no? Kaya lang hindi ko siya nagustuhan kasi meron siyang coriander. Hindi ko masyadong gusto yung coriander or cilantro. So, hindi ko yan naubos. Tapos, ang tinira ko na lang dyan ay yung buns na may butter. And meron din siyang orange juice. Kasi may almond toppings yung buns nila. So, ang sarap niyan. Ito naman guys, kala ko gatas kasi nakalagay milk. Pero pagbukas ko pala is yogurt. Okay naman. Sayang diba? Di kainin. I'm not into yogurt, no? Pero, since healthy naman siya, so ayan, tinira natin yan. Tapos ayun nga, after matapos yung meal, pwede ka mag-request ng coffee or tea. And guys, we finally landed in Hanoi. Hi guys, we're here at the Noi Bai International Airport. Welcome to Hanoi, Vietnam. And then we immediately headed to the carousel to collect our checked-in luggages and then gotta go to ATM to withdraw. Guys, check out the AgriBank ATM. I've researched from other vlogs that this bank gives the best exchange rate. If you can see, this ATM got the longer queue. And mostly in line are Pinoys. As far as I can remember, I withdrew twice because there was an amount limit. So I had to do another procedure for withdrawal. When I travel, I make sure that I have budget for cash and a limit to credit card use. Because there are stores and restos that do not accept credit cards, so always have cash ready, especially when traveling. For SIM cards, we opted to buy each for every one of us, and each cost 170,000 DND or 406 pesos. You can try to put up on a mobile packet Wi-Fi, but for us, it's quite convenient if each one of us had data in case we lost each other along the trip. We immediately headed out to the airport because our service van was already waiting. Since we are a group of 7 with luggages, it's best that we hire a larger vehicle to get us to our hotel. So here is Kuya patiently waiting for us. Actually, there's 1 hour waiting period, but we just don't want someone to be waiting so long, so we wrapped up all our business inside the airport before heading to our hotel. No time to look around since we're tired and not enough sleep. By the way, I booked our car via Klook. And look guys, this van rental is only 1,057 pesos, max of 10 packs and 12 luggages. And we even had extra seats and extra baggage count. So di ba sulit, ang mura? Travel time from the airport to our hotel is approximately 44 minutes. Guys, you can also opt to contact directly the van rental. It's cheaper a bit. Posting the details here. See how convenient we were during our travel to our hotel. And then lamig din ng aircon. Sobrang sulit talaga ditong van rental namin. Guys, watch out for our hotel vlog. We're gonna be staying at Bendisir Hotel and Spa, and we'll cover our day 1 tour in Hanoi. Please like and subscribe my channel for more follow-up videos. Bye for now, guys!